All right, hey guys, welcome back. We're just going to continue on with where we left off. I did a few things off camera, of course. Got these. I was going to use these style ones here and use these, but it didn't seem to fit very good, so I just went and got some generic rubber, put it around the outside so it looks really nice like that. And there. And of course, these are stainless steel bolts. Finally got my pack of hardware that I needed. Just waiting for this to finish bolting up the doors, so it's been kind of a bit of a wait time right here, so some of the stuff just didn't get done. Been working on some of the stuff here. I did some more polishing to some of these areas here. I haven't done that side over there, but repolished a little bit of this, just kind of doing a little bit as I go. It's just a lot for me to do all the polishing at once. Gets my arms really tired. Got to clean everything up here. Maybe I'll do that a little bit later. Right now, got to get my engine seal so I can get that ready. I don't have one for that. So I'm going to get an engine seal for in here, clean all this out, and bring you guys back in when I get that a little bit later today. Should be able to pick that up. So anyway, we'll move on. I'll clean up some more stuff. Got these tail lights set in there. Clean up this stuff. Put them on. These are expensive. So anyway, we'll talk to you later and check out what we're doing. All right, well, I got that far, I guess. Not much, didn't seem like, but it's just a very slow process here. So that piece of rubber in the back, I have to push it in little by little all the way around because it just won't slide in that groove anymore. Just too much roughness back there, so I gotta push it in. That's gonna take me a few hours, and then my arms just aren't in for it. I work for a little bit, and I have to stop. So anyway, kind of playing around with some of this stuff. And this thing line up a little bit better, but it's still way off. So I'm gonna have to take maybe that hinge back off and grind out a little bit. It's gonna take a lot of time. Still working on this. I got, you know, part of the reason this door's sticking out is because this rubber is too thick. So I gotta trim that, put it back in. Got these on. Yeah. Got this thing on, not without scratching it, of course. That was brutally hard to get on. Had to really wiggle that thing around for a while, hang on it, hit it with a dead blow. It's all right, just touch it up. So, just need to do a little cleanup on this thing when I'm all done with all this stuff, and then I'll wash it off real quick. And it's just about ready to get that motor in here. I was hoping to get it in today, but that rubber in the back is just that's gonna take some hours to do. It's gonna take me a couple hours just to get that one in, because like I said, I have to push it down, you know, a quarter inch at a time or something like that, and it's real hard to push in the corner. It's the only way to do it. I couldn't slide it. So anyway, I got this thing on, and if you don't know this, they're starting to sell these things in 2 pieces now. They used to sell them in 1. So they carry them now in 2 pieces. So I always cut mine anyway, just because trying to put them in the whole way around is always hard. Even on a bug, I always just cut it right here. That's right where the 2 ends go in. Sometimes I don't on a bug, but I don't know if they come 2 pieces on a bug, but on a bus they come 2 pieces now, you know. So anyway, that's what that is. See, it comes in 2 pieces. So you cut 1 for each side, for both sides, and then you use 1 whole section for that, you know, if you can get that. And the one in the back, that's a special one. That one's already curved up. Most of those are German. A lot of cars you didn't have to change it. A lot of times they're in pretty good shape back there. This one wasn't. Nothing was in good shape on this thing. So anyway, we're just moving forward. It's going to be a bit here. Hopefully I can get, I don't know, it might be another week before I even get the engine in this thing. I don't know. It just all depends. This weekend it could happen. And then we'll see the first drive on it. It would be really cool. But I really want to get that door, something here. I don't know, the deck lid. The deck lid's kind of a issue because, see, when this thing's all the way up, it goes up about this angle, and that would hit the bucket. So I think they had a short one, and I think it was missing. So I might have to make one. We're really not sure how we're going to do that yet. I think I have one for that door. So yeah, it's supposed to be like that. 1 blank, 1 tail light, same over there. They took the original ones out, cut holes, and made them wider. That was the way they did it. So I'm doing it the same way. That's how it was done. That's why it has that. I guess it's to make it more visible around the bucket, but the bucket's up this high, so it's kind of strange that they would do it that way, huh? But that's how they do it. So anyway. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed the progress, and we'll just keep going, get this thing done as quickly as we can, at least to the point where it can be driven. I just want it to be pretty well together before I drive it. So anyway, I'll talk to you next one.